Today, we explore what whispers from the tech world are suggesting about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, a device poised to redefine flagship expectations. Let's begin with confirmed information before examining the most intriguing rumors shaping anticipation. Industry reports indicate that the Galaxy S26 Ultra will be powered globally by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 processor, eliminating regional discrepancies previously seen with Exynos variants. Accompanying this advanced chipset, Samsung is expected to deliver 16GB of RAM across all storage tiers, whether 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB. To address thermal concerns, the device may incorporate a larger vapor chamber, improving heat management for sustained performance. Now, the most compelling speculation centers on the camera array. A widely circulated leak suggests Samsung might transition from its own ISOCELL sensor to a 200-megapixel Sony CMOS sensor, measuring an impressive 1/1.1 inch, a noticeable increase from the 1/1.3 inch sensor in the S25 Ultra. This larger sensor would capture significantly more light, promising elevated image fidelity, especially in low-light or zoomed conditions. The remaining camera configuration is rumored to include a 50MP ultrawide, a 12MP 3x telephoto, and a 50MP periscope lens with 5 times optical zoom. These enhancements, combined with Samsung's next-generation ProVisual engine and potentially variable aperture technology, could significantly elevate computational photography performance. Beyond optics, refined design elements may elevate the S26 Ultra's aesthetics. Reports suggest a sleeker chassis, retention of the S Pen, and a 6.9-inch display, likely an evolution of its predecessor's form factor. Moreover, silicon-carbon battery technology and enhanced 65W fast charging may improve both battery longevity and efficiency. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a meticulously refined flagship marked by unified global performance, vastly improved imaging capabilities, and thoughtful design enhancements. Formal leaks position it not merely as a successor, but as a thoughtful leap forward in Samsung's smartphone evolution. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.